Hey y'all, Choice here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Here I want to talk a little bit about decluttering the mind. Decluttering the mind. Our minds we are so exposed to so many different frequencies that don't even harmonize. They're just coming in from every which way, and we're absorbing all of this, feeling like we are losing our mind, that we have no out because the mind is not getting any rest. But we can give our mind a little rest by just simply tuning out through meditation. People have many different ways of doing this. Some people, and there's many different ways of meditation. Let me tell you, there are many ways of meditating and kind of like getting your mind to still. I think there was even a study that was shown that said that people don't really need as much sleep. What they need is to give the mind rest so that the body can go about repairing and doing certain things, and just giving your mind darkness, blackness, and rest, slowing down the thoughts that are coming in consistently. So when we're hit with so many different frequencies, and I say frequencies or energy that is coming from just things that we hear, we observe, we feel, and all of these different things just coming in, what happens is the mind is overwhelmed with information, which then doesn't allow mental clarity. And a lot of times we just feel exhausted or a little winded, but it's really because we are taking in so much. We have frequencies coming in that don't even harmonize. They're just clashing. And we're busy the mind subconsciously is trying to make sense of things. Or the mind is programmed to make sense of what we experience through our senses. So you have to remember that we have to give the mind a break sometime. Meditation is good. Many people, there's all types of meditation, and come on, I said before in the other video, there's some of us, who are very religious, and when you say meditation, they say, ooh. Ooh. So, but anyway, what meditation does, is it allows you to see what's going on in your mind, to observe who you believe you are, who you believe yourself to be, and the thoughts that come through your vessel. It actually gives you a moment to see what type of thoughts, because usually with so many thoughts coming into us every day, they say 50 to 75, 80,000 thoughts a day, and we are only aware of maybe 2%. Some say 5%, others say 10%, but it's probably depending on how woke you are, how aware you are, or how mindful you are of what it is. And then others go as far to say that majority of the thoughts are negative. And I have different reasons why I think it might be negative, and that's because we're consuming a lot of negativity. That's why we call forth. That's why we attract certain types of thoughts that just seem to come out of nowhere. But thoughts can't just come out of nowhere. There has to be some kind of vibe or frequency that draws those thoughts to you. So back on topic. Quick word a little meditation, just so that you can observe what's going through your mind. Also, to slow down the thoughts that are coming through and going through your mind. So it gives your mind an opportunity to detox from all the various frequencies that are clashing and coming in and overwhelming your mental, your mind, if you will. So, hey, that's a quick word just to remind you to meditate. And maybe, there are many people that have meditative videos. Some work for some don't. I would suggest that you maybe, pick one that really works or speaks to you, that resonates with you. I may do a couple of meditation videos, but in the meantime, take a moment and silence your mind so you can get a sense, so that you can get a sense of what is actually happening, of what's actually happening in your mind. So much love, Choice here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and thank you so much. Love you. Much love. Thank you, Choice.